Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Toyota Rav4 and we're going over the install of your window regulator and the motor that is attached to it. The motor and window regulator all one unit. You can buy the motor just separate or the regulator separate, but they actually are cheaper if you just buy them both together as one whole unit than buying them separate pieces. So when you go to reinstall your new one, you're going to see that these don't have the screws, but we want to leave this bolt in on the top side. And what that's going to do, it's going to hit this little channel right here and be able to sit in there while you rotate it around. So we have it kind of in this little bit of a clamp motion here to be able to slide it in through that hole, and then so we slid it into that hole and that's holding it up in place, and we have the electric line over here, and that way we can start one of the number 10 bolts on this side. Okay, and then with that part in place, let's go ahead and line this up in the tab. Now you may flip this all the way around and then realize this isn't where it needs to be, because if you flip this around, it's not going to be in the right orientation. Well, sometimes it's not right in the middle. This one happens to be right. But we have the tabs here. They're going to make sure it goes in there. And now we'll start those two screws. You've got one screw that's kind of behind here. And then we have this one right here. Size 10, so go ahead and tighten them all up. Okay. So that's how you reinstall your window regulator on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.